Okay, if you're lucky like David, you get woodpeckers coming to your fat balls, but for me, I have to go hunting for them in the woods, which is what I'm doing today. So first of all, you listen out for the sound. Can you hear that? Sound of the woodpecker pecking? Always a problem, hear them and not see them. Next difficulty is the light. He's there, but the light's exactly behind him. No, impossible. Okay, I've walked around the other side of the tree now, and you can hear him up there, and he'll be in the light. Seem to have lost him at the moment, so I'll wait here for half an hour and see what happens. Problem is, I've watched too many horror films, and although the woods are beautiful, they also look a little bit spooky, I always think. A little bit Blair Witch. There he is. No more great spotted woodpecker, but now the sun's going down, we're getting nuthatch. Yep, definitely the end of the day now, sun's setting. I think it's amazing that you can be in this place looking at woodpeckers and all this stuff and within sight of the M25 traffic jams.